Alright guys, it's Brickfree, and today I'm going to be showing you how I part out sets. Now, I only have 2 sets to part out here. They are the same type. Was going to hope for 4, however, when we went to the store to get these, there was only 2, and they were on sale for $8, $7.99. And then the next day when I tried to order them, they were sold out, or they were out of stock. So, yeah. And now they're back to full price, so I was only able to get 2, which is unfortunate. These are parting out for, I believe, 3 times the part out value, which is around $28, and we got them for $8, so there you go. Anyway, yeah, so we got these from Target, and basically we got to calculate how many lots are in the set, and then based on that number, we get the amount of drawers we need. Some of these can be stored in 2, or put 2 lots into 1 drawer, and then others need 4 drawers. Most of them should be able to be stored in 1 drawer though. So I'm gonna go ahead and find my dividers here and place them into the slots where they're needed. And then, as you can see here, we have these slots open. I finally rearranged this so that way it's in the correct order. So after 24 here, this doesn't go here. I'm gonna have these all organized again and put in correct order. Alright guys, so to begin the sorting, we're gonna have a nice clean open space here so we can easily see what parts go where and put them into their groups, so that way we can put them in the drawers. So the first thing we're gonna do here is open up the sets here. I'm gonna be careful with these just because I like collecting the boxes, because you never know. So what I'm gonna do this is take my knife. I'm actually gonna open this side here, because you see it kind of already opens up a little bit. And I'm going to open that, take that out, and pull the set out. So we're back. So I ended up opening it from the bottom. It was much easier to do it that way. All I did was cut a slit and pull it out. So now we're gonna just bring the pieces out. And the first thing I'm gonna do here is move the boxes out of the way. So now we've got this one done. I'm gonna go ahead and put this somewhere else. I'm gonna take a look at the instructions here, and I want to check the pieces here. Okay, so these are all the pieces we got. You can see everything here. You can also check on Bricklink, but I'm gonna go through this just to make sure. To begin, let's go ahead and start with the bags. So we got this one here, has the minifigures, and we got this mini one, and then we got this. Put the stickers over here. This bag, and we'll actually start with the bigger bag just because it'll be easier. Now I'll open this one. This one I'll open on camera for you guys. Really quick here. Really quick. Try to be careful just to open it a little bit. Once it cuts through the glue, and it goes real nice.
There we go. Now we're good. Open the bottom here. Okay. Pull out everything. We'll put the instructions in the instruction pile.
I'll go ahead and place up there. Stickers in the sticker pile. And I'll put the box in the box pile, which is off screen. Okie dokie, let's go ahead and get into this. Go ahead and have my supplies here. This guy. Little scissors. And I'll go ahead and put the bag. Contents out. Okay, bags no longer any good, so you can toss those. Next one. Fill those out. We just start sorting it based on whatever pieces we find. And then we'll just double check to make sure we have the correct amount. So, some of these already have scuff marks on them and scratches, and that has nothing to do with that. You know, that's just how they are. Sometimes they get scraped together. So, but they are new pieces, that's for sure. Go ahead and start putting them to where they should go. Make your little piles of each piece. Some of these sell pretty good, others don't. We'll figure that out afterwards. Like, there's quite a lot of these, which is nice. We'll end up having a lot of those in our drawer. These unique pieces, I don't know if they sell. We'll figure that out afterwards. And here we go with some brackets. Find all this stuff out afterwards. Here are the minifig parts. I'm gonna go ahead and just put all the minifig parts in a separate area. Some people do not like them being built, so I'm just not gonna build them. Just gonna go ahead and put them over there, and if I do sell them as whole minifigures, I'll end up just putting them all in the same bag rather than building them. So there we go. And here we go. So we have 25 and 26 here. Let me grab some dividers really quickly. '26, 25. Okay. So in drawer D25, we will put in, we'll do these red ones here and these gray ones here. When that's done, put that aside. For this one, I'll do, let's see, we'll take these dark tannish ones over here and the dark red ones over here, and that's it with that one. And we'll take D27 and 28. D27 will hold all these 2x4 plates with the holes in them. And they will also hold the 2x4 plates that are red. There we go. And that will be that one. For this one, I'll mix it with these two and these two here. Alright guys, so I'm on Bricklink now, and I'm currently on the part out page, and here I'm going to input the number of the set, which is 76203. We have two of them. We'll say including minifigure parts. We'll leave it as whole minifigures for now, just because we're putting them in the same drawer. This, yep. New. Okay. Alright, now we'll click submit for edit, and now we have everything. So this tells you how many pieces and everything that we have here. Now some of the stuff we don't have implemented yet, so we'll just double check, starting with the smallest drawer we have, which is D25. So here in D25 you can see we have 2 of the dark red inverted tiles and then 4 of the dark gray inverted tiles. So on here, just make sure we have that correct amount. So there should be 4. Yep. And for the remarks, we can go ahead and put it as D25, and we can say that they are in new condition. Set, and I'll copy that and use it again. The next one is the red inverted, which should be somewhere over here. Here it is. Use that, and put it as D25. Make sure there's 2, and there are 2. So this one is done. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this back on the drawers. Okay, I'm back. Now the next one is D26, which consists of 4 of these inverted slopes, and then 4 dark red slopes, which are right here. So we're gonna put in here, and we'll put D26. Oops. Copy that, and now we just need to find the dark tan ones, which they're either up there. Nope, I guess not. They're probably on the bottom then. And there's 4 of those. There's 4 and 4, so that's good. D26, and this one's finished. So you're good to go for that one. I'm gonna go ahead and put these back in the drawers. So the next one I'm gonna do is D27, which has 2, 4, 6 of the 2 black 4 plates with holes. Which is this, the D6, there it is. Put that in D27. First we'll paste this D27, and then we need the 2 red ones here, and that's D27. Make sure there's 2 there. Awesome. This one is finished. D27. Gonna put that back on the drawers. Alright guys, I'm back, and I'm gonna do this very quickly because I want to hurry up and get this done so I can show you what the result is and how to finish it off on Bricklink. So to do this, I'm just gonna go ahead and open up the bags. Bags out. This one. Alright, we're done. Okay, so first things first, we got a lot of these little blue studs here. There's 4. Those in there. Okay. And then I'll take these guys here. 4. That's it. Put those in there as well. That's where it's done. Put that back. Next one, I'm gonna take these gold brick looking pieces here and put them all in there. So there's 4. Okay. All those in there. Next, I'm gonna grab 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, that one is done as well. Next one. This is the 39. We'll grab maybe these transparent pieces here. There's 4 of those, and then we'll do the bottom ones too. There's 4 of those as well. I believe that was it. Next one. Lastly, we'll add, we're almost done with this here. Put those in there, and that's almost done. Just a couple of those. Alright, cool. This is our last drawer. I need to get more because this is not going to fit everything. There we go. And that's all the pieces here. So now I'm going to go ahead and go back to the Bricklink and put those in. Now let's go ahead and start. We're just gonna go down the list. So there should be 4 of those. And that drawer is D45. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 of those. This is that. What is it? 45. Okay. This next one here. It's right here. D49. This one here is D50. And there should be 8 of these. 2, 4, 6, 8. There is 8. Okay. this one here, there should be 4, which there is. So we're gonna just do that. And this is D49. There should be 6 of them, so pretty excited here. D38 as well. That's done. I'm gonna put this one. Alright, next one is 39, which are all these blue pieces at the bottom. So I'm gonna do that. There should be 4 of each, and as long as that's the case, we're good. So D39, not 8, 9. D39, and yes. Oh, we're done with those. So put those back. D48. And that 2. Then we're just gonna scroll down and make sure we didn't miss anything. This will be one of the bigger drawers. I'll put it in D132. Okay. And we're scroll up, just check, make sure we don't see anything missing here. As long as you don't see anything missing, we're good. Alright, we're good. So that is the last drawer. I'm gonna go to put that where it goes. All we gotta do here is scroll all the way down to the bottom. And we can verify the items. There's all the pieces, all the lots. Should be around 50 something, I believe. I don't know how much is it worth. I just say it's worth like 45 cents. I'll change it later, but just so we can go ahead and get these parts added. And all those parts should be in there, which is nice. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. All the parts are now in their respective places. If you guys enjoyed the video, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. And if you want to see more of this channel, please subscribe. And I'll see you all in the next one. Peace out.